Hi, we are from At Home Tuition. In this video, we are going to see the representation of rational numbers on the number line through various examples, and also we are going to see how to find the rational numbers which are less than the given rational numbers. So first question is, represent these numbers on the number line. First is 7 by 4. So solution. So we are taking the first question 7 by 4. So the first step to represent the number on the number line is you have to draw a line and mark the integers from 0, 1, 2, 3 on positive side of the number line. That's on the right side of the number line. Because if you see, the given number is a positive rational number. So we are taking it as 0, 1, 2, 3 like this it goes on. It's on the right side of the number line. The second step is we have to see the denominator. So the given denominator is 4. So we have to divide the line between two consecutive integers, that is between 0 to 1 and from 1 to 2 into 4 equal parts. So like this 1, 2, 3, 4. So from 1 to 2 we have to divide it into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next step, we have to consider the numerator. So you know that numerator is 7. So the numerator indicates the point from where it is situated from the point of 0. So now it's 7. So we are marking from 0, you are counting 7 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is 7 units away from the 0 line. So the rational number 7 by 4 lies at a distance of 7 units away from the 0 on the right side of the number line, because the given number is positive 7 by 4. So it lies on the positive side 7 units away from 0. The second question is negative 5 by 6. So now first step, we have to draw a number line and we have to mark the integers from 0. So in this case, the given rational number is negative 5 by 6. So you are drawing a number line and you are marking the integers on the left side of the 0. That is 0, negative 1 and negative 2, because it's a negative number. So the next step, second step is we want to check the denominator. Here the denominator is 6. So what we want to do? We want to divide the number line from 0 to negative 1 into 6 equal parts, and from negative 1 to negative 2 into 6 equal parts, and so on like this. So now we have divided here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equal parts. Again from negative 1 to negative 2, 6 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now the third step is we want to see the denominator. So the denominator is 5. So it's negative 5. So now we are moving on to the left side of the line, 5 units away from 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the point negative 5 by 6 is situated here. So negative 5 by 6 lies at a distance of 5 units from 0 on the left side of the number line. The next question is represent negative 2 by 11, negative 5 by 11, negative 11 by 9 by 11 on a number line. So solution. So draw a line. So first step is always you have to draw a line and you have to mark the integers. So here if you look into the question, all the given numbers are negative numbers. So you have to mark the integers from 0 towards the left side of the number line. So that's 0, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3 and so on like this. So now next step is we have to look into the denominator. So here in all the three questions, so you have the denominator 11, 2 by 11, 5 by 11, 9 by 11. So what we want to do? We want to divide the number line into 11 equal parts between the two consecutive integers. That is from 0 to negative 1. We want to divide this number line into 11 equal parts. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So from 0 to negative 1, I have divided this line into 11 equal parts. So now our third step is we want to see the numerators. So here the numerators given is negative 2, negative 5 and 9. So we know that negative 2 lies at a distance of 2 units from 0. So 1, 2, negative 2. So negative 5 lies at a distance of 5 units from the 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and negative 9 lies at 9 units from 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these are all the 3 points which we have marked on the number line. So here we have marked all the 3 points on the single number line because it has the common denominator. So next question is, write 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2. So solution. So our given rational number is 2. So we can represent this number 2 as 2 divided by 1. That's in the fraction form. So now we have to find the numbers which are smaller than 2. That is 2 divided by 1. We know that 1, that is 1 divided by 1 is the number which is less than 2. So we have only one number. So what we are going to do is, we are going to find an equivalent fraction for this 2 by 1. So let's consider, we'll multiply with 10 in the numerator and 10 in the denominator. So if you multiply like that, you will get 20 divided by 10. So which is an equivalent fraction of 2 by 1. So which is same as that of 2 by 1. So now what we can do is, we can write the numbers which are smaller than 20 by 10. So we know that 19 by 10, 18 by 10, 17 by 10, 16 by 10, 15 by 10, 14 by 10, like that it goes on, maybe 2 by 10 and 1 by 10. So these are all the numbers which are smaller than 20 by 10. So which is equivalent to 2 by 1. So hence we can take any 5 rational numbers from this. So say we can take 2 by 10, 5 by 10, 10 by 10, 15 by 10, 19 by 10. So for example, I have taken all these numbers. So you can take any numbers from the given numbers. What we have found out this number. So you can take any 5 numbers from this. Now we'll summarize what we have learned in these 3 examples. So to represent rational numbers on the number line, first we have to draw a number line, mark the integers 0. Then we have to find whether the given rational number is positive or negative. If it is positive, you have to mark the consecutive integers on your right side of the number line, and if it is negative, then you have to mark it on the left side of the number line. Then you have to, second step, you have to see the denominator. So based on the denominator, you have to divide the consecutive integers into the number of equal parts, which is same as that of denominator. So next you have to see the numerator. So numerator represents the number of units it's away from the 0 line. So if you divide, then that will become the rational numbers. So now if the denominators are equal, you can represent 3 or more numbers on the same number line. So next what we have learned is, we have learned how to find the number of rational numbers less than the given rational number. So now we have taken the rational number 2. So for this what we have done is, we have found out the equivalent fraction for this, and from that equivalent fraction we have found out the numbers which are smaller than the numbers. So for the number 2 we have found out the equivalent fraction as 20 by 10, and we have written all the numbers which are smaller than 20 divided by 10. Hope you have understood all the concepts well. Thank you for watching the video.